Yo, my name is DJ V Black. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, East New York, where the Warriors dwell.
You're gonna be amazed when you gaze at the armor on this leader, fully clad and glad.
Like, I'm a mixed DJ. I mix. What I'm doing right now is promoting myself as a DJ. You know what I mean? Because I've been around a while. I understand the music. I understand how to play music. You know, when to play music. You know, I just love music.
Meet your challenger, a true hero.
Since I was a kid, I used to put a speaker in the window and play music while my mom and dad wasn't home, so the people in the projects can hear what I'm playing, so they, you know, you can feel what I'm hearing. What makes me different from other DJs is that, you know, my selection of records.
You can tell I'm into.
I'm known for hip hop, soul classics. I play 70s, 80s, funk, you know, reggae, neo soul, you know, world music, period. If it's hot, I'm playing it.